Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to start with the new chapter trigonometric ratios, which is the very important concept and foundation for many other chapters. Let's start now. We can make the following important observations, which is x-axis, this is y-axis, O be the origin. Okay, this one is first coordinate, here second coordinate, this is third coordinate, this one is fourth quadrant. In first coordinate, all trigonometric ratios are positive. All means sine, cos, tan, cot and sec, cosec. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Remaining all are negative. Sine and cosec both are reciprocals. So sine is positive, cosec also positive. Okay. Remaining all are negatives. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positives. Remaining all are negatives. Tan and cot are both are reciprocals. So tan is positive, cot also positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Remaining all are negative. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. In first quadrant, theta lies between 0 and 0 less than theta less than 90. This means 90 minus theta having in first quadrant. In second quadrant, 90 less than theta less than 180. This means 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta having in second quadrant. In third quadrant, 180 less than theta less than 270. This means 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. In fourth quadrant, 270 less than theta less than 360. This means 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta having in fourth quadrant. Okay. 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta. Sine can be changed cos, cos can be changed sine. Tan can be changed cot, cot can be changed tan. Sec can be changed cosec, cosec can be changed sec. 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. Okay, sine cannot change. Sine is sine, cos is cos, tan is tan. No change, trigonometric ratios. Cot, sec is sec, cosec is cosec. Okay, 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta is there. Sine can be changed cos, cos can be changed sine. Tan is cot, cot is tan. Sec is cosec, cosec is sec. 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta. Okay, trigonometric ratios are no change. Sine is sine, cos, cos, tan is tan, cot, cot, sec, sec, cosec, cosec. Sine 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So, okay, 90 minus theta is there. Sine can be changed cos, cos theta. All are positives. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. Sines are trigonometric ratios are changed. Cos 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta having in first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positives. Cos can be changed sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. Okay, next sin 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta having in second quadrant. Okay, sine is positive, 90 is there, sine can be changed cos. Sine is positive, cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Tan 90 plus theta. Sine and cosec only positives. Minus cot theta. cot 90 plus theta minus tan theta, sec 90 plus theta minus cosec theta. Cosec 90 plus theta, cosec 90 plus theta having in second quadrant positive, so sec theta, that's enough. Sin 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta having in second quadrant. Okay, 180 is there, trigonometry ratios are not changed. Okay, sin 180 minus theta having in second quadrant, sin is positive, cosec is positive, remaining all are negatives. Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. Why? Because 180 and 360 is there, sin is sin, cos is cos, tan is tan, cot is cot, sec is sec, cosec is cosec. Okay, cos 180 minus theta, this is cos 180 minus theta in second quadrant negative, minus cos theta. Tan 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta having in second quadrant negative, minus tan theta. Cot 180 minus theta, this is also negative, minus cot theta. Sec 180 minus theta, minus sec theta. Cosec 180 minus theta is positive in second quadrant, cosec 180 minus theta is cosec theta, that's enough. Now next one, sin 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta having in third quadrant, in third quadrant tan and cot are positives, remaining all trigonometric ratios are negatives. 180 is there, trigonometric ratios are not changed. Okay, this sin 180 plus theta having in third quadrant negative, minus sin theta, cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta, tan 180 plus theta in third quadrant positive, tan theta, cot 180 plus theta, cot theta, sec 180 plus theta minus sec theta, cosec 180 plus theta minus cosec theta, that's enough. Now 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta having in third quadrant, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, remaining all are negatives. 270 is there, sin can be changed, cos, cos is sin, tan is cot, cot is tan, sec is cosec, cosec is sec. Okay, sin 270 minus theta minus cos theta, sin 270 minus theta having in third quadrant negative. Okay, 270 is there, sin can be changed, cos, cos 270 minus theta minus sin theta, tan 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta having in third quadrant positive, cot theta, cot 270 minus theta, tan theta, sec 270 minus theta minus cosec theta, cosec 270 minus theta minus sec theta, that's enough. Now next one, 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta having in fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant cos and sec are positives, remaining all are negatives. Sin 270 plus theta, sin 270 plus theta having in fourth quadrant, that is negative, minus cos theta, cos 270 plus theta, cos 270 plus theta in fourth quadrant positive, sin theta, tan 270 plus theta minus cot theta, cot 270 plus theta minus tan theta, sec 270 plus theta having in fourth quadrant, that is positive, cosec theta, cosec 270 plus theta minus sec theta, that's enough. Sin 360 minus theta. Okay, 360 minus theta is this, trigonometry ratios are not changed. Sin 360 minus theta having in fourth quadrant, in fourth quadrant sin is negative, minus sin theta, cos 360 minus theta, cos 360 minus theta having in fourth quadrant, that is positive, cos theta. Tan 360 minus theta minus tan theta. In fourth quadrant tan is negative, cot 360 minus theta minus cot theta. Sec 360 minus theta in fourth quadrant positive, sec theta. Cosec 360 minus theta minus cosec theta. That's enough. Now 360 plus theta having in first quadrant. Okay, all trigonometric ratios are here. 360 plus theta in first quadrant. Okay, sin, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Okay, sin 360 plus theta, sin theta. Trigonometric ratios are not changed. All trigonometric ratios are positive. Cos 360 plus theta, cos theta. Tan 360 plus theta, tan theta. Cot 360 plus theta, cot theta. Sec 360 plus theta, sec theta. Cosec 360 plus theta, cosecant theta. That's enough. Some important note points is there. First note point, n into 90 plus or minus theta, comma n into 270 plus or minus theta. 2 into pi by 3 into pi by 2 means 270 plus or minus theta. Okay, if n is even, sign cannot be changed. Okay, and trigonometric ratios are changed. That means sin is cos, cos is sin, tan is cot, cot is tan, sec is cosec, cosec is sec. Okay, if n is even, n is odd, sign can be changed. Okay, and trigonometric ratios are changed. Okay, here also same, sin can be changed, cos, cos is sin, tan is cot, cot is tan, sec is cosec, cosec is sec. Okay, now next note point, n into pi plus or minus theta, pi means 180. Okay, n into 2 pi plus or minus theta, 2 pi means 360. If n is even, sign cannot be changed and trigonometric ratios are not changed. Okay, if n is odd, sign can be changed and trigonometric ratios are cannot be changed. Okay, trigonometric, these two steps trigonometric ratios are not changed. Okay, n is even, sign only change. N is odd, here sign cannot be n is even, sign cannot be changed. N is odd, sign can be changed. That's enough. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, click on like button and don't forget subscribe my channel.